it's Katherine. How are you today? Happy New Year! It's 2022. I honestly don't really know where the last year went. It's kind of a blur. Anyways, hopefully this year goes better. And yeah, hopefully the world can kind of figure itself out and people can go back to normal and yeah. Anyways, today I'm going to show you some New Year's cookies that I made for New Year's Eve yesterday. And they were so yummy and delicious, but they're so easy and they look fantastic. They're chocolate and sprinkles. They're made with a chocolate cake mix and some eggs, some oil, and that's pretty much it. And then you mix it all together and they're done, and they look so eye-catching and so beautiful. So anyways, I hope you all had a great night and have a great start to your 2022 year, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. The first thing that we will be adding to our bowl is 2 room temperature eggs. Next, you're going to add 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of oil. I use canola. Then finally grab your box cake mix of any kind, vanilla or chocolate, and then add that to the eggs and oil and stir until well combined. At this point, you should add your black food coloring and mix it in well so it's easier before you add the sprinkles. I added mine after the sprinkles, so mine didn't exactly work out. But if you really want that definition between the sprinkles and the black dark cake, then add it now. Here I'm just showing you guys all the sprinkles that I'm going to be putting into my cookies today. The sprinkles really do stand out so much and they're so pretty. I love them. So anyways, now you're just gonna mix in your sprinkles. As you can see now, I'm trying to mix in the black food coloring because I remembered, and it's really hard for me. But anyways, you're just gonna wanna fold in your sprinkles, and then you're gonna wanna chill your dough for a couple of hours in the fridge. Once your dough has been in the fridge for a couple hours, take it out and take off the saran wrap, and then grab little pieces a little bit smaller than a golf ball size and roll them into balls. And as you can see, I'm just showing you guys how the sprinkles kind of turned out when I was rolling them, the ones that were in with the cake mix. Once you have all your cookies rolled into balls and set up on your baking sheet, You're going to want to take your sprinkles in your hand and then press them on the top of each of the cookies to make those sprinkles kind of stand out more and have different variety on top. Once all your cookies have sprinkles and you like the look of them, you're going to pop it in your preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. You're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Once your cookies are done baking in the oven and have cracked on top, you're going to want to take them out and leave them on the baking pan to cool for probably about 10 minutes just to finish up baking any last little bit. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you love these cookies as much as I do, and they really are an eye-catching, stunning piece. So anyways, Happy New Year once again, and stay tuned for more cookie videos. Bye guys!